A quick note on versions in Excel. This course was designed to be utilized by anybody with any version of Excel. With that being said, there are a couple of newer features that I cover that you may not have access to if you are working with an older version of Excel. I've noted those within the course, but just so that you're aware of what version you are currently running, you can find out by opening up Excel, going to File, and then all the way towards the bottom is Account. When you click on Account on the right hand side, you'll see that I'm currently running Microsoft 365, and this is a subscription-based system. Now, if you're interested in upgrading, I will include some information down below so that you can see if it's the right fit for you. But if not, that's totally fine. You can use whatever Excel version you currently have. You'll just now be aware of which one you have so that when we run into those newer features, you'll understand why it is that maybe you don't have access to them.